Okay, today we received our BougeRV refrigerator, freezer, 12 volt, 30 quart. Let's go set it up. Okay, today we have the BougeRV 30 quart, 12 volt refrigerator. I plugged it into an Opus 600 power pack and we're going to see how this thing works. So we go over here and we turn it on. It's 93 degrees inside. I have a exterior thermometer that I'm going to put inside. Okay, I set up a timer. We'll see if we get it into the freezing mode and see how long it takes. And we'll check back in a little while. Let's check the extra thermometer. It's showing, oh wow, 31 degrees in 25 minutes, down from 93. That's pretty good. Just in a little bit more than an hour, it's about 9 degrees. And the interior thermometer says, oh, about 8 degrees. That's just about perfect. It's been using about 54 watts. Okay, I think this was a really good test for this refrigerator. It went from 93 degrees to 8 degrees in about 1 hour. Used about 54 watts, and the ambient temperature in the car was in the 90s. Pretty good.